Hi, I'm Tori and I'm from Watertown. I came to Upstate Oral Surgery and Dental Implants to get a full arch restoration. When I first walked into Upstate Oral Surgery and Dental Implants, I was greeted with a smile. The whole team was welcoming. They all went above and beyond to make sure I was taken care of. Dr. Curtis is very kind. He went out of his way to make sure I was comfortable and happy with everything that I received. I love my new smile. I have confidence now. I love going out with my friends and family. I had an amazing experience here, and I would definitely recommend Upstate Oral Surgery and Dental Implants. They gave me a life-changing smile, and I'm forever grateful.